let's go. Hindi Iron Dome yan at lalong-lalo wala tayo sa Israel. Huwag kayong mag-alala, nandito tayo sa Enchanted Kingdom. We're here at Concentrix Family Day. Let's go. Tapos may regalo si Brady sa akin na mini fan. Tama-tama, magagamit agad natin dito kasi mainit. Let's go. Paano to, Ken? Timing na timing nga yung pagbigay ng regalo sa atin kasi yan, feel na feel ko na, nagamit ko na agad itong mini fan. Habang tayo nga ay nakapila dito sa entrance, para makapasok, kailangan mo lang i-present yung QR code. Ganun lang kadali, pasok ka na. Concentrix Family Day, you're not only able to bring your family members, your friends here for free, but also you get to have these Wizard money worth 450 pesos that you can spend in buying food or drinks within Enchanted Kingdom. So that's one good thing here. So let's go. Brady gave me the mini fan.
Hello,
And
I'm very generous.
yes. And as part of the Concentrix family, how do you find the family day here at Concentrix?
I find the family day through Waze. From our house here. I find I use Waze. No, it's very happy and inclusive.
Wow. Here's the Wizard money. At atin na ngang sisimulan ang mga rides. Kahit mainit yan, I know there's fun. Right, first ride natin, Disco Magic. Let's go. We're here! Disco Magic. And another good thing is there are also water stations inside, right?
Yes.
If you feel thirsty, you have your water bottle with you.
Yes.
Just get some water in there, right? It's hot, but this is the true essence of family day, being under the sun and
Being with your family.
yes, of course. Let's go. Air race is the next. Go. Air race. Oh, grabe, the air race. Let's go, pawis-pawis, but that's the family day. Maliban sa mga rides, there are also entertainment shows na talaga namang patok na patok sa mga bata. Pwede na rin sa mga tulad nating matatanda. O, sige na. Of course, this is indeed a family day. Of course, nagbaon kami ng mga food, right? Ayan. O, dahil napagod na sa kaka-rides, kain na muna, di ba? Di ba?
Parang hindi naman natagod sa kaka-ride.
Napagod sa kakalakad. Hanggang inabot na nga tayo ng gabi sa dami ng aming sinakyan ng mga rides at aming pagkain. Nako, nakakapagod man pero sulit din. Nagtapos ang Concentrix Family Day dito sa Enchanted Kingdom sa pamamagitan nitong fireworks display. Sigurado na ang bawat empleyado pati na rin ang kanilang pamilya ay nag-enjoy dito. Ang mga ganap na katulad nito ay nagpapatunay na ang Concentrix ay hindi lamang nagpapahalaga sa kanilang empleyado, pati na rin sa kanilang pamilya. Kaya Concentrix, maraming salamat sa inyo.